Loud, man. Hey, yo, Code 21. How y'all doing? My name is Karabo Mutlwenya, aka KP, straight out of OF, representing Loud, man, and the Uhuru movement. And right now, I'm gonna perform this joint for you called Smiling. It is dedicated to my producer, Grandmaster Zone Layer. Yo, shout out.
Oppressed by the law,
Moves.
like it was a norm.
Yo, I haven't seen a real smile in a while. I haven't seen a real smile in a while. I haven't seen a real smile in a while. Why do we only unite when one of the stars? See we smiling and suffering. Impoverished minds reflects with the change they cuffed in. I've been seeing it happen and I ain't bluffing. People breaking their fast with water and still muffin. It's sad, I ain't laughing. Inhaling CFCs with the same smoke that we puffin'. Dying inside as the lungs are slowly rusting. Pancreas busting, heart slowly pumping. No love for each other no more, we only lusting. Even though we hustling, we ignorantly rushing. Clashing into nigga moments that amount to nothing. This the kind of shit that we facing all day. That is life and you cannot go both ways. Desire of life, I can suicide thoughts in the brain. They choose suicide cause it's easily persuaded by pain. See we. Hey yo, we smiling and suffering, man. You know what it is? We smiling and suffering, oppressed by the law. We smiling and suffering like it was a norm. We smiling and suffering like it's how we were born, raised, fed. Ain't nothing wrong no more. We smiling and suffering, oppressed by the law. We smiling and suffering like it was a norm. We smiling and suffering like it's how we were born, raised, fed. It ain't nothing wrong no more. We smiling and suffering, emotionally juggling, trying to run away from physically struggling, but covering how the situation is useless. So lost under covers that it left yourself clueless. Lost from the history that it left your life rootless. Don't see the same no more like your eyes was crooked, but don't lose hope. Even though this life is rootless, take a strike, batten them crackers and live them toothless. Yo, smiling and suffering. Hey yo, it's that Loud, man, shit. You know where we at, 1841, man. In the hood, there's no sleep, people die every week. A man is not allowed to cry, if he cries then he's weak. Neighbors are the biggest enemies, unnecessary beef. They both got a problem, but their pride don't allow them to speak. It's always the case in the hood, but we taking it cheap. Forgetting small fires result to huge waves of heat. Cause we faking how we feel that we ain't no longer feel us. So ignorant that if there were snakes, they would've bit us. Praying, delaying the struggle while we're waiting for Jesus. So we feel forced to show love and happiness when it's Christmas, but we smiling and suffering, police shooting and coughing. Squeezing in one room, as many as a dozen. Man, it's hard for us, having to squeeze inside a bus, working under hard conditions and still kneel to your bus. Man, this is unjust, that's why we gotta adjust to a life, don't push a cracker under the bus. Yo, Black Power, man, shout out to the Uhuru movement. You know what it is. Still organizing in the streets, man. My next track is gonna be Change Gonna Come. Both tracks are on my album called A Willing Mind Volume 1. Yeah, it's only released on Hardcore Peas, no socials yet, but I'll update you on that, so let's play it. Give me your wheelchair.
Like I said, I'm still a fan of this hip-hop.
This for my niggas.
Like shit like
Yo.
that. It's still part of the dream. Still part of the I can't believe it.
Hanging on a rope, mind blown, hella woke. Coming from a home with bros who catch a hella smoke. Chasing after bread, so we can hella toast. I'm a walking dead, dread. Man, I'm a hella ghost. Axe on my head, or hail the ones I do not know. Not the one of Marcus, that's a funeral I'm finna roll. One for those who ain't scared of blood stains. I'm a dead nigga, don't really care where my blood stays. This life is a game, we playing it like an arcade. This life is a reverse Noah game, no arcades. On Marcus Garvey's my stage, in my heart I got a dark place. Father left me inside a grave at a young age. Slave ghost calling my name, saying I'm the ghost of the future and it's up to me to make flames. When I got out, the world never saw it the same. Took the black star line in my memory lane, cause I'm the ghost of the future and the world dominated by machines. No Buddhist computers, no Judas, jetpacks, no Yeshua. The only thing existing in our brains will be a tumor of prejudice and rumors like, who is you? You is who? You ain't you. Living in the same day like deja vu. Like, who is you? You is who? You ain't you living in the same day like deja vu. Where they look at a nigga like it's all about him. Whoa, this life makes you tough, so it's more like a gym. Crows watching over your head while your life's on the tip of your toes. I'm too cold. Matthew Hansen in the North Pole, leading you in the promise, and Harriet in the railroads. General Net when I swung the axe on Travis, cause all I saw was a bunch of weed crackers and addicts. Shit, give me a wheelchair. Yo, give me a wheelchair. Cause I will not shake what I don't have. Britney Spears, intellectually gifted, I got no fear. On top of the world, thermosphere, looking down on my broken people, crying thermal tears. God to this world, though with the hammer, the third eye version blows out of control like burner. Governing with blood in their hands, they lynched us and burn us, still govern with blood in their hands. They network turn us like there's no better ways. Agnostic, but I pray for better days. God prayed us, guess they pray on us for better days. So stay woke, if you follow then you stay broke. You bitches think you fresh, cause you kissing man toes, what the fuck? History will always keep you stuck like Jesus is on the way. Noah still making it up. You think life's easy? Then take a walk in the park or hit the road. Jack with no queens. Just a waste of cars. Can't afford to make a car. But I'm never caught stealing several queens on my lap. But I'm never caught cheating, tricking silver since a kid. So I'm never caught leaning. Told y'all I was born in the grave. Check the minds I'm retrieving. Yo, give me a wheelchair. A willing mind, a wheelchair. But you know that change gon' come. Hey yo, change gon' come, never turn the other cheek, and eye for an eye. Yo, shout out to Code 21, shout out to Loud Man. Hey yo, join the Uhuru movement and organize, man. You can find us on the Loud Man page on Facebook. You can find me on Karabo Mutrenya on Facebook and Instagram, Bozy X. You know what it is, 1841, we still represent, man.